Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. Guys, you know it's holiday season. I always bring you some great ideas. If you're a home decor lover and you love to decorate your home, I think you come into the right place, because today I'm going to go back to the traditional table setting. So I'm adding some glam, and you know I love glam. So okay guys, so without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay guys, today I'm going to start with my windows. As you can see, I have a new addition to my home. This is a motorized shade window, very modern, that have been sent to me by Alsen or Allison. And my windows is a K130 light filter cellular shades. And guys, as you can see, it's very nice, very modern. And each of them have their own remote, so you don't have to put all of them down or up at the same time. You can choose to put the left one, the middle one, the right one. It's all depend on how many you order, but me, I ordered 3 because my window is wide. And as you can see guys, the material is very good. And if you want to market for a great shade, this one can be a good option. If you don't like white, you can always just order colors. And guys, as I mentioned, they have individual remote and they have a 15 channel remote, so you can control all the windows at the same time if you like. So guys, I really like it. And the best thing about it, you can use voice command. So they have an app, you download the app and everything will be so good. So if you don't want to use the remote, you can have the option to use it on your phone, which is wonderful. You cannot do that with the original the other old-fashioned blind. Guys, this is super nice. That's another great way to elevate your home. The quality of the material guys is so great. The honeycomb design is built to stop cold or hot air at your window and block up to 70% of incoming sunlight. Guys, I really like it, as you can see. So I love to put window treatment in my home, and I love daylight shining into my home. And guys, this is a best way for me to get both. As you can see, if you order one, that's the way it's gonna be inside the box. They have manual instruction that's not going to let you blindfold. I really like. And guys, inside the box again, you're going to see the USB-C plug that you can use to recharge your blind. Guys, you can recharge it 2 ways, this way with the power or solar. And the solar power guys, you have to buy it separate, up to 3 hours for charging. And guys, running 600 times, it's about half year. So guys, it's unbelievable. I really like it. And built-in battery, USB charging, and quiet guys, super quiet. And everything that you need to install it is inside the box. You don't have to buy nothing else. I really like it. And guys, don't forget to check the box down below if you're looking for something like this. Okay guys, let's go set up the table and keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video. What I know now, I would do it all again in a heart. For this table setting, y'all, I went to Diddy's, and those placemats are so pretty. And like I said, I want to go back to the traditions, and they are perfect for me because they have the autumn leaves and all the good stuff. So guys, I really like it. I really like all of them, but I couldn't find the same. I had to order different one, but they still going well together. And guys, it's another great way again. So if you don't find all you want, so you can mix and match it. Because me, I always love to mix setting for 6 because of my family size. But if you don't have a large family, you can always go with 4. And guys, those dining plates, I love them so much. They are so pretty, the design and everything perfect for fall. I always bring them out during fall and summer So guys, this is a great way again to elevate your look, to add more color and more texture to your setting. And guys, as you can see me turning the bed because I love all the design follow the same way. So this part is optional, so I love to do that. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. I always love to welcome everyone that new here. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching.
Must be more to you and me, something magic. And I must admit that every morning I wake up, either I must be dreaming or I must be lost in love. Never in a million years did I think I'd get so lucky. Never in a million years did I think you'd be mine. Now I can't imagine a life without you. Every song that I write about you, just thought you should know. I'll never let you go. Never in a million years. Never thought life could be so good, but it's so good with you. Never thought life could be so good, but it's so good with you. Never thought life could be so good, but it's so good with you. Never thought life could be so good. Never in a million years did I think I'd get so lucky. Never in a million years did I think you'd be mine. And now I can't imagine a life without you. And every song that I write about you, just thought you should know. I'll never let you go. Never in a million years.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think. If you like it, if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.